Hey guys, welcome back. We had a good day in the market, September 17th, Wednesday, FOMC day. Interest rate decision. Market's been pretty crappy for trading this week and even some of last week, just anticipating this. And we got it today. So typical fashion, super high IV. Market doesn't do a whole lot before it comes out. Sometimes you get a trade in there. I didn't trade it. I didn't even trade on small account either. This is just not typically a day for people to trade. Professional traders, people that aren't gambling, more or less sit out. Could have, like, on my small account, it doesn't really work, of course, because IV is too high and I can't afford those contracts. I didn't sit out though on the big account. It's a red day. It's just, yeah, wasn't quite in it. Yeah, so let's get into it. Yeah, this morning I watched it and charted purple, white. I charted gold here later, but yeah, with the high IV, I mean, it's pretty tricky. Like this down here, that's like broadening wedge going on. And then it broke gold, and then did it again, kind of retested for resistance. Put green in here. Yeah, I think green is pretty accurate. We've got 3 supports down here. 3 resistances there. Broke it, came up, made a little handle here, but again, this is all pre-FOMC. Once it came out, this was actually a minute early, so someone knew, maybe front ran it. Some algo started buying. So I didn't trade through this, excuse me. On Emperor and Eric's charts, this was a retest right here, so I didn't have that algo charted. I don't know where it is, but yeah, they were able to catch this, and then head and shoulders up here. But I honestly, usually after it comes out, there's not really a trade I'm going to take, and then maybe when Powell's speaking, I'll take a trade, or after. Depends on the price action, of course, but this was yeah, just kind of whipsaw. It did retest green there nicely. So Powell started speaking here at 2:30, and I charted this one first selling. So I did kind of want to get involved at this point, and I shouldn't have, I guess. I think it's fine. I did. Yeah, it's a bit of a chase, unfortunately. So we got a nice little shoulder liquidity here, head here. Started to grab it. I mean, these candles are huge. The IV is crazy. It's not easy to manage at all. So I actually, yeah, I chased it on this one. Here is, yeah, here's Eric's chart. This is Spy Day Trading on YouTube. This is his 30-minute chart. Or no, this is 1 minute actually. So he's got this green for the selling precision. And so I kind of missed entries in here. Let me see where that was that first one at. Yeah, and I scaled way down. Given my scale down was still even large. I was only doing 1 contract instead of 3. But yeah, it was bad IV, 47 and 49. So this was just kind of trying to chase it in the precision in this selling, which yeah, didn't end up working for me. So I got it on this candle with a stop on green, thinking it might you know, yeah. So I got it here, stop on green, and it broke green, and so I closed it for puts, and then it ended up coming down. So yeah, that kind of sucked. And then did it again. Oh no, then I charted my own. I was like, well, his wasn't accurate. It pulled out of it. So then I pulled it off of supports. And on this candle, I got puts again. I think, yeah. Oh, the candle before that. Oh yeah, I was on this candle. Got puts there, stopped out on 57. So these stops, they look close, but they're 30-40%. So it's sketch. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate. I just happened to miss timing on both. This one I hadn't charted this yet, so yeah, this lined up perfectly. I was following Eric's, and then here we got nice little head and shoulder liquidity here, and then this being kind of an aggressive selling looks more like an inverse head than liquidity down here for shoulder. So that I guess would be the only clue. I consider going long here, but after I close my put, but you know how that is. So I didn't catch that move up. And then it made this nice inverse head and shoulder, but no continuation. I did a couple more trades in here. It's too bad. It could have been a pretty small red day, but it ended up being a pretty big one. I got calls, so once it broke this purple, that's kind of what I was waiting for, and this actually coincided with Eric's also. Broke this, but I mean, these are big. These are 25-30% candles, so pretty tricky. Where did I enter? Somewhere in there. Yeah, this was annoying. So I got 2 of these at 324. Wow, was it really like that? Is that the one? Oh no, you can see it right here. Or wait, no. Yeah, that was a stop. I just want to show you this one. The one trade that was actually gonna be green. Yeah, that's it. 24 to 30. So 324, I entered it. It was a little late. This was, I think I was also still looking at his precision. Let me see, where is that? Where'd that chart go? Weird. A weird entry. Anyways, from right here, I think I got a good fill on it. Yeah, I think it was a limit order. I was trying to get on a retest of the green, on his green, which I hadn't put anything in there that steep yet, but it gave me a nice fill. Just in this tiny little range right here, it was up 40%. But I mean, as you can imagine, each one of these candles, it was swinging like 20-25%. And I was like just about to take one. I was actually waiting for, not even my line actually, I was waiting for a retest on either a break on his green or a retest up here. Broke this green and it was just too fast. I mean, it was basically worthless. I think I closed it like here or here. So I guess I could have tried to do a quick market order or something. On this next minute, I guess it retraced, but yeah, I should just close it on that retrace for sure in hindsight. Yeah, because it ended up being a small red trade then. So yeah, this would have cut out half of my losses on the day, just this one trade if I closed them both there. Or at least should have closed one on that retrace. So 41. Where was that? Wait, that's not right. 30. Yeah, I literally closed it on that candle. Oh, that's crazy. So it was on the kind of the retrace. I actually, no, I didn't actually. I tried to get a fill. Where was that? I tried to get a nice fill. Oh, right here, I tried to get puts. It didn't fill me. I put it at the ask, didn't fill. It went without me. I was like, oh, that's a bummer. That even would have been a nice trade right there. But you just got to take profits. You can't sit in there long. Yeah, so lost that one, then did another dumb trade in a day. Even smaller size. I gotta figure out, kind of a, I mean, my max loss on the day, I was kind of having it at a certain number, and I'm just not quite respecting it. I haven't set it in stone. So I need to probably just set that in stone. It's hard, very hard, because it's like there's often days where I'm enough swingy where it's like I will go that red and then I will swing back green and go that much green. It doesn't feel that red, and it feels like my emotions are still fine, but there is a point where I need to figure out where it's like I should just call it. I didn't get out of control or spiral or revenge or anything. It just happened on such small moves and so quickly is where it like gets frustrating and you can start to lose control a little bit. Especially because some of it was just poorly managed. I mean, these entries and exits were. It happens. This one, not taking profits on that's frustrating for sure. Max, like, yeah, today be a pretty big green day. So, yeah, and like P&L in the month, I need to figure out, because it's like 2 days, two bad days, and it's like wiped out a lot of the month so far, which kind of sucks. So, Yep. Need to grow my average winners, shrink my average losers. That's pretty much it. It's one reason why pros don't trade on FOMC day. It's a bit of a gamble. You try and size down, but it's hard to because everything's so expensive anyways. I didn't, like I said, I didn't do anything with the small account. Just way too gnarly. Yeah, too expensive. But now on the 30-minute, I don't even know. You have to watch Eric's YouTube videos because I don't know what's going on now. We completed this inverse cup for sure. Maybe we're starting to make a handle now. We're above 5-day, so this very well could still be bullish. This could be an inverse head for this shoulder right here. I guess we gotta wait to see if we break red and green, or if we complete this larger inverse cup down here at 20-day. If it does want to retest it, I don't know. I will leave that to Eric. Thanks for watching, guys. Sub up, like up, comment down, happy 96 round. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.